Want to relax at camp and feel like you're floating, but still have good back support? The King Camp Hammock Chair gives you the light feeling of a hammock while still being comfortable like a chair. Its aluminum steel frame supports up to 200 kilograms, and the backrest can be adjusted from 90 to 130 degrees. It only weighs 4.5 kilograms, folds up quickly, and comes with a strong carry bag. Sleeping in a hot tent can be tough, but the HiTSec tent fan is more than just a fan. It's a handy tool that works as a fan, a light, and a charger all at the same time. The 7500 mAh battery lasts between 8 and 36 hours. Its motor moves a lot of air but makes very little noise, less than 30 decibels. It has a remote control, a timer, and safe blades that stop moving if they are touched. The Princeton Tech Helix is a lantern that shines light all around you. You can change the brightness with the bright white lights and super bright red lights. You can change it by swiping your finger on the touch screen. The folding legs make it easy to store, and taking off the diffuser changes the light from a soft glow to a bright beam. It can handle rain and splashes without getting damaged. Want to watch animals or check your campsite? The Moultrie Edge 2 is a trail camera that connects automatically to 4G LTE networks from all major phone companies in the US. It takes 36 megapixel pictures and 1080p HD videos, and its improved sensor helps it work better in low light. The detection range is 30 meters, and animals cannot see the infrared flash. You can control it using the Moultrie app on your phone. The Beekles BK2000 is an electric water filter that cleans water in 6 steps. It has a special filter and carbon made from coconut. It provides a strong flow of 700 milliliters of clean water every minute, and the battery can filter 168 liters on one charge, which is enough for 10 to 15 days of camping. Weighing just 350 grams, it also has a flashlight for emergencies so you can gather water at night. Washing dishes when camping can be a pain, but the FunCube portable sink makes it easy. This portable stainless steel sink has a smart faucet that provides 3 different water flow options. It has an aluminum frame and holds tanks for 10 liters of clean water and 20 liters of dirty water. Everything can be folded into a small box. The lift-up lid can be used as a cutting board, and the water feature allows you to soak dishes or warm your hands on cold mornings. Mosquitoes can spoil any camping trip. Fortunately, the FlexTail Tiny Reveler is a small device that works as both a bug spray and a flashlight. Its 2 heating plates work at the same time, getting to the best temperature of 165 degrees Celsius in just 2 minutes in outdoor mode, or 110 degrees Celsius in 50 seconds in camping mode. The 4800 mAh battery can keep the repellent running for up to 11 hours when in camping mode. The flashlight, which has 4 brightness settings, can work for up to 60 hours. Setting up a tent in just 2 minutes without any poles might seem impossible, but the Niffin SUV tent makes it easy with its completely inflatable design. It is 2.3 meters tall and can easily hold 2 to 6 people. There are 2 canopy areas for fresh air and protection from the sun. The fabric has waterproof seams and special stitching that keeps rain out completely. Want a hot shower while camping? The Core Helios 20 Pro is a portable water heater that has a smart chip to control the temperature. It heats water as well as a regular gas heater at home. It warms up water to 25 degrees Celsius in only 3 seconds. The 4000 mAh battery lasts for 100 minutes of use. It's small, measuring 40 by 7 by 32 centimeters. Watching movies outside at night is something every camper hopes for, and the Bank GS50 makes it happen. This wireless projector gives clear 1080p Full HD pictures and supports HDR10 for bright colors and rich contrast. The built-in Android TV system lets you watch Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video without needing any extra devices. You can connect wirelessly using Wi-Fi, AirPlay, or Chaste. Plus, when you use Bluetooth, it becomes a portable speaker with deep sound. The Frisco camping fan is made to last a long time. The 24,000 mAh battery lasts between 20 to 140 hours and can also charge your other devices like a power bank. The motor with very thin blades spins up to 4,000 times a minute, blowing air at a speed of 4.6 meters per second, and it's quiet at less than 30 decibels. The fan has 4 speed settings, 2 brightness levels for the lights, a remote control, and 3 timers to turn it off by itself. Want to boil water faster than on a stove? The Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 is a small cooking system that uses a special design to boil water 30% quicker. The 1-liter pot and stove are designed as one piece and have a push-button igniter. Just click it and you'll be good to go. The entire kit weighs just 510 grams. It's made of coated aluminum and has a soft cover, so it protects your hands from getting burned. When you need a lot of light on the path, a regular flashlight isn't enough. The Nebo Slide King uses a 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery and produces a bright 2000 lumens of light in flood light mode. Open it to show a built-in light that brightens the area evenly. The panel has 5 settings. It can provide 500 lumens of white light for 4 hours, or it can flash red for emergencies. When you're away from regular phone service, the Shore Call Fusion to Go helps you stay connected. This signal booster for cars quickly improves 5G and 4G LTE signals, even in very remote places. It works with all phones and carriers in the US with no setup or extra costs. The tough housing and weatherproof magnetic antenna can work well in difficult road situations. It's easy to set up because the Shore Call app helps you find the best spot for the antenna. Right now, the Zenova Camping Lantern is here to help with 3 different power choices. A battery, or 3 regular AA batteries. Its improved 360 degrees LED technology gives off 100 lumens, which is bright enough to light up a whole room or a big tent. The lantern works for more than 12 hours on one charge, and it can also charge phones when needed. You can set up the Kelty Late Start backpacking tent quicker than you can take your coffee thermos out of your bag. Its fast corner shape, with color-coded poles and bent aluminum supports, makes a space that is 215 centimeters by 137 centimeters, and 100 centimeters tall at the highest point. Made to withstand heavy rain, every seam is completely sealed. You can set it up by itself first and then choose the best place for your campsite. The Arcturus Base Camp Blanket is not just a regular blanket. It's a versatile piece of equipment that is 228 square centimeters in size. One side is made of very tough waterproof fabric that keeps out rocks and dirt, and the other side is soft nylon that feels like a quilt. The special insulation keeps you warm, and there are 8 strong points to tie it down so you can use it as a sun shade. There's a small zippered pocket in the corner for things you need to keep close. Imagine being able to take a shower wherever you want. The Wadio portable shower gets the job done. Its 6,000 mAh battery lets you use it for 3 hours, and the motor can move up to 6 liters of water per minute. The LED screen shows how charged it is and the water temperature. It also has 6 lights that can be used as a lantern with 4 different brightness levels. The Vivo folding campfire grill makes it easy to cook outside, just like in a kitchen. This square mesh opens up into a grill. One side has a mesh grate for cooking over hot coals, while the other side is a solid flat surface. It's made of strong steel with a coating that protects it, and it can withstand temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. The diamond-shaped mesh spreads heat evenly and stops even small pieces of vegetables or seafood from falling through. Hey, what's more important to you in a camping fan? That it runs quietly or that it has strong power? Tell us in the comments. The Anker Solex Everest 2 is a cooler that doesn't need ice to keep things cold. It can keep temperatures from -20 to 20 degrees Celsius. Its quick and efficient freezing system cools things down in just 15 minutes. With its 2288 Wh batteries, it can work for over 4 days at 4 degrees Celsius without needing to be charged. The Princeton Tech Helix is a lantern that shines light all around you. You can change the brightness with the bright white lights and super bright red lights. You can change it by swiping your finger on the touch screen. The folding legs make it easy to store, and taking off the diffuser changes the light from a soft glow to a bright beam. It can handle rain and splashes without getting damaged. The Elegear Camping Sleeping Pad has a special hex shape that combines light and breathable foam with air pockets to provide great comfort. A built-in pump fills it up in just 45 seconds, and a special valve helps you let the air out quickly when you're ready to pack it away. The pad is 50% lighter than regular memory foam and can shrink down to 1/3 of its size. The Modi Well Dry Flush Toilet is a water-free toilet that gets rid of waste using heat. It's great for people who care about staying clean, even when they're outdoors. It automatically puts waste into a bag. No need to deal with a mess. The strong stainless steel legs can support up to 160 kilograms. Its 5,200 mAh battery lasts for 70 to 100 uses on a single charge, which is great for a long trip. Hand pumps for blowing up mattresses are old-fashioned now. Say hello to the Peak Flow Tiny Pump. It's small, only 7 by 5 by 5 centimeters, and light, weighing just 127 grams. It works at a pressure of 0.04 atmospheres and can move 360 liters of air every minute. It can blow up almost anything, and it can also help start a fire. Its 2,200 mAh battery lasts up to 45 minutes when it's charged. The Kakadu Canvas Swag is a tent made in Australia that has tall walls to give you more room inside. The walls are made from strong poly-cotton fabric with a tough weave at the top. The floor is made from the same strong waterproof PVC that inflatable boats use. Inside, there is a 7 cm thick mattress made of firm material, and it has a soft flannel cover that can be taken off for extra comfort. A combined Lumos LED light system gives a warm light at night. If you want a camping sofa that can support a lot of weight, the Pitsman inflatable sofa is a great choice. It can hold an amazing 400 kilograms without drooping because it's made of strong, tear-proof material and has a double layer that keeps water out. The pump inside can quickly fill it up with air and let air out. This item is 170 centimeters long and 80 centimeters wide. The seat is 38 centimeters high and the backrest is 84 centimeters tall. Want to charge your devices at the picnic table? The Caden camping table has a solar panel that lets you power up your phones and tablets outside. Side shelves give you more space for food, drinks, and camping supplies. The lightweight folding frame, made of good quality materials, is strong and long-lasting. Putting it together takes only a few minutes, so you can relax instead of struggling with tricky furniture. If this video helped you choose gadgets for your next camping trip, please like it. It helps other travelers find these helpful reviews. The portable power station is a small generator with a 280 Wh capacity, 300 W output, and a quiet cooling fan. You can charge it in 3 different ways. You can charge it from a wall outlet in 6 hours, from a car cigarette lighter in 5 hours, or from a 100 W solar panel in 3 to 4 hours when it's really sunny. When you go camping, your dog should be free to enjoy it as well. The Zaya's dog tie-out cable lets dogs explore without getting stuck on trees. The tension system can be set up between any 2 anchors in less than 5 minutes and weighs just 700 grams. The reflective rope is strong inside, making it easy to see your dog at night. The 360-degree swivel clasp stops the leash from getting tangled. If you need coffee to start your day, check out the VSSL Java G25 hand grinder. Made for outdoor use, its strong stainless steel parts with 2 bearings create a smooth and even grind. You have 50 different settings to change how finely the coffee is ground, from very fine for espresso to coarse for a French press. The entire grinder is lighter than 500 grams, and the foldable handle can be locked onto a carabiner for easy storage. If you want a tent made with the latest materials, take a look at the Nemo Equipment Dagger. The recycled polyamide fabric keeps water away 4 times better and doesn't stretch as much when it gets wet. The tent has 2 big doors and large, slanted rooms outside. The curved aluminum poles and the different colored parts make it easy to set up, even for beginners. The Nicey camping stove is a 2-burner cooker that works like a professional kitchen stove, making it perfect for cooking big meals outdoors. The stainless steel grates do not rust, corrode, or get damaged by high heat. The burner has a non-stick surface, which makes it easy to clean up. Piezo ignition turns on the burners with just 1 press, and the easy-to-use knobs let you control the temperature perfectly for any meal. It only weighs 3 kilograms and can be folded up. If you're fed up with waking up with a sore back after sleeping in a tent, the Gaia Loop Memory Foam Sleeping Pad will help solve that problem. It's 10 centimeters thick and has 2 types of foam, a strong bottom layer and a soft top layer that shapes to fit your body. The waterproof cover keeps out moisture and wet ground, and the removable top can go right in the washing machine. The Vivor Camping Kitchen Table is a complete outdoor kitchen that sets up in seconds and doesn't need any tools. The aluminum frame holds up a work area made of aluminum and strong steel mesh that can handle all your pots and pans. You can choose from 3 heights, 56 centimeters, 63 centimeters, or 71 centimeters, making it comfortable for both adults and kids. The Nemo Equipment Pillow King is an inflatable pillow that shrinks to a really small size when it's put in its carrying bag. Its 15 cm I-beam baffles make the pillow smooth and help it keep a natural shape. The recycled foam inside makes it extra soft, and the super soft cover is machine washable and stays cool, even when it's warm outside. The comfortable valve is simple to use and can be stored neatly, so it won't be a bother.